Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, there is a big announcement here. Online Study for You has finally launched Aptitude and Reasoning 2 weeks workshop by Pratik sir for all companies with certificate. Friends, many of you were not able to clear first round in Accenture, Ground Truth, and other examination. There might be two reasons. Either your concept were not clear or you are not knowing the shortcut techniques to solve the question quickly. So in this workshop, we are going to solve 200 plus aptitude and reasoning question which has been asked in the recent examination 2023. Friends, unlike other institutes or YouTube channel, so we always take the live questions, I mean, which has been asked in the current year. Okay, this all these questions, screenshots has been taken from the recent examination of Accenture and other companies. And one more important thing, friend, I wanted to tell you. So if you do not clear the round one of any companies, then there will be cooling period of 3 to 6 months. That means for the same company, you will not be able to write the examination in 3 to 6 months. And friends, the price at online study for you will be always less because see, students searching for job, right? So all the students are searching for job, and we cannot ask them to bring 1,000, 2,000 rupees or 1,500 rupees. They cannot go back and ask their parents because already they are suffering to get a job. And now, so the quality will be top notch, so there is no doubt. So how to check the quality, friends? So I have uploaded videos 21 hours ago, 1 day ago, and then if you'll come here, ground truth problems, Accenture problems, reasoning problems, right? Accenture 23 July problem, Accenture 20 July problem, Accenture 28th of June problem. So you can easily check the quality, friends. So quality, there won't be compromised here. And regarding the classes, you can also check the reviews here, friends. So the classes will definitely, each and every student in the class will be able to understand even if I will do one question, right? So that is my guarantee. So each and everyone will be able to understand. And now the link to registration is given in the description box. Please do register before the seats gets full, because we are taking only 50 students, because we have to clear doubts of each and every student in the classroom. Friends, if you miss the class, recording will be available. So on daily basis, you will get the recording. Basic to advanced level will be taught. Classes by Pratik sir. Recording of the classes will be automatically shared. You do not have to do anything. IT and non-IT background. So many of you will ask, sir, I am from BCA, I am from BSc, I am from MSc. Anyone will be able to join this, because friends, see what happens. So first round in any of the company, so they will be asking you normal aptitude questions. Okay, so I will teach you like the shortcut techniques. I will teach you how to think, right? So most of the problems, no, by thinking only you will be able to answer. You don't have to even use pen and paper for that. So how to enable your mind to think about the question in a different way? Okay, and live doubt clearing session will be there. You will be able to ask as much as doubt possible from aptitude and reasoning. Even if you bring the question from outside, I will solve it, so you don't have to worry at all. Okay, so friends, each and every information you will be getting here. And once you enroll, how to access it on laptop or mobile, all the information will be given to you. So friends, please do enroll today itself, and don't miss even a single class. So this 2 weeks workshop will definitely help you to crack any exam you are going to write in the future. So this 2 weeks, see the price, if you are having 1 T daily basis, right, 20 rupees, even the class, this class price per day will be less than that, just 199 rupees for 2 weeks of aptitude and reasoning workshop. Okay, which will definitely change the way you think about maths. After this class, you will definitely say aptitude and reasoning is easy. It is not very, very tough. Thank you. Take care and all the very, very best.